So you like the fast lane. How about the pass lane? We're talking about cars and memorabilia that'll get your motor running. We're headed to Snooks Dream Cars. It's a one-tank trip. On the outer limits of Bowling Green, Ohio, you'll find what appears to be an old Texaco gas station. Actually, it's a classic car museum, Snooks Dream Cars. The curator is Jeff Snook.
We started because I sold the family business and we needed a place to put the cars. All this stuff was stored and stashed at our factory. So I came up with the idea to build a museum to show and display all the nice old memory things that my father bought.
And Jeff's dad loved old cars.
We have approximately 20 plus cars that are always on display. In the wintertime, we have a few more.
I was very excited. I was in Wildland when I walked in and saw the cars. Beautiful.
Cars we own are from the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and I just got my first car from the 1970s, a 1971 Datsun 240Z.
I like all of them.
I think I was just expecting to see some older cars that I had seen before, but some of these I've never seen.
In addition to all the classic cars, there's loads of memorabilia that'll take you back to the 40s, the 50s, and 60s. Some of it even for sale in the recreated 40s era service station / gift shop. To add to the authenticity of the vintage gas station, there's a fully functional 4-bay workshop.
You have all these cars, they're old, things break.
We'd like to have folks come through. People like to see, what's underneath. Folks rarely, in most museums, not all, people come in and see a pretty car under the nice lights, and it's a great experience, but people are inquisitive. People love to see what's under the hood.
We do a lot of old car repair. We've got 3 cars in right now that are customer cars that we're working on.
It's a fantastic drive back in time.
We're here not just to show off cars, we're here to educate people about the automobile.
And the best part is, it's just a one-tank trip. David Moss, Fox 8 News.